Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most colorful, creative and stylish trends in handmade fashion. Crochet granny square top blouse designs. If you love crochet, then you already know that granny squares are one of the most classic and beautiful crochet patterns ever made. But now these simple little squares are being turned into modern blouses, trendy crop tops, elegant tops and even runway-inspired fashion pieces. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video and stay until the end because today we are going to explore so many different granny square blouses ideas that you will definitely want to try. Granny square crochet tops are special because they combine tradition with modern style. In the past, granny squares were mostly used for blankets, staple cupboards and handmade home decor, but now fashion designers and crochet lovers are using them to create beautiful tops and blouses that look stylish, artistic, and unique. Let us begin with classic granny square crop top. This is one of the most popular stylish right now. Usually for large granny squares are used for the front and back, while smaller squares are added for the sides and straps. These crop tops often use bright colors like yellow, orange, pink, green, and blue. This result is a cheerful and playful blouse that looks perfect for summer. Imagine a crop top made from sunflower granny squares. The center of each square is dark brown, surrounded by bright yellow petals and a cream border. When all the squares are joined together, the top looks beautiful, colorful, and full of sunshine. This kind of granny squares blouse is perfect for with denim shorts, jeans, or long skirt. For women who love boho fashion, there are amazing bohemian granny square blouses. These tops usually have low sleeves, fringes, tassels, and artsy colors like beige, mustard, olive green, rust, and brown. A boho granny square top looks wonderful with wide leg pants, boots, or long flowy skirts. One of the most fashionable styles is a granny square blouse with bust sleeves. Bust sleeves are wide and flowing, and when they are made with granny squares, they create a dramatic and beautiful effect. Imagine a cream colored granny square blouses with long bell sleeves and small floral squares all over the body. It looks elegant, romantic, and very stylish. Many women also love granny square tops with puff sleeves. Puff sleeves make the blouse look more feminine and trendy. A blouse with small colorful granny squares and soft puff sleeves can create a lovely vintage inspired look. Another popular trend is a granny square halter top. Halter tops is around the neck and leave the shoulders open. They are perfect for summer, beach trips, and vacations. If you prefer something more elegant, you can choose a granny square blouse in softer neutral colors instead of using many bright colors. Some women create beautiful tops using only white, cream, beige, gray, or light brown. These neutral granny square blouse look more sophisticated and can easily be worn with almost anything. These designs are trendy and modern, latest designs. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next crochet fashion videos. We will be back very soon with more crochet tops, dresses, cardigans, and handmade fashion inspiration. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Until next time, stay creative, stay colorful, and keep crocheting. Thanks for watching.